I'm Rebecca Mojica with Linkt Craft Kits by Nito. Today I'll be showing you how to make these earrings, which are part of the Atomic Eye kit. This is a level 3 design, so be sure you've tried some of our level 1 apprentice and level 2 crafter kits before attempting this project. Your kit includes enough materials to make 5 necklaces with 5 matching earrings in a variety of colors, so you can pick and choose, mix and match, and come up with really awesome color combinations. Be sure to check out our other video to learn how to make the necklace. Let's get started. The paper instructions included with the kit show you how many rings you'll need for a pair of earrings. I'm going to be using the same colors as shown in the instructions, so my earrings look like this. The colors in your kit may vary, but if it's your first time making this, I recommend using the same colors. And if you decide you want to swap any colors, you can place one of those rings here on the grid at the front, and that way that's a reminder for what color to use where. You'll need 10 size A rings. I'm using blue. 2 size B rings. I'm using turquoise. 6 size D rings, and these are silver. And then 2 ear wire. If you'd like, take a minute to count out the rings you need. If you haven't already, make sure to watch our How to Open and Close Jump Rings video. There's a link in the description. First, close 4 size A rings. Now, open an A ring. Go through the previous closed rings. So those 4 A's you just closed, and close the ring. Now open a B ring, and you're going to go through those same 4. I like to hold it like this so that those 4 rings are sort of being pinched and anchored against my fingers. It's pretty easy to see them and go through, and they don't move. Close the B ring. Now we're going to use our tool, and you want to insert, and it's okay just to kind of let those rings fall off to either side. Oh, and I should mention it's actually important that your A rings aren't split, so whatever side you have them on, just make sure they're all on that same side. Open a D ring and go through the B ring and close. And now you are going to separate into pairs. And now we're going to add another D ring, and it's going to once again go through that B ring. So this will be sandwiching in the A rings on that one side. So go through here, and close. Now we'll take another D ring. We're going to go through both of those D rings that you just added. Before closing, let's attach the ear wire and close that ring. And then you can remove carefully. There is your first pair of earrings. You'll repeat all of those steps from the beginning to make a second pair. And then when you're done, you can go through and check all of your rings, make sure all of your closures are perfectly seamless. And that's it. Remember that your kit includes enough materials for 5 earrings and 5 necklaces. So if you haven't already made a necklace, hop on over to that video while the pattern is still fresh in your mind. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Till next time, have fun, get linked.